The air turns thick like honey when you enter the room. Your silhouette in moonlight sets my senses ablaze soon. A current surges through my veins with each glance your way. Tongue-tied, lost in your gaze, I'm caught in the strange array. Is this the spark of a new dawn? A connection that's been foreseen. With you, I'm on the edge of something undefined and keen. My heart skips to an electric pulse, a rhythm that's wild and intense. Your presence is my drug. I'm under your spell, no defense. This heart beats a neon rush, lighting up my every sense. With you, I'm in a rush to feel this love, to transcend.